A perhaps Hall of Fame quarterback had interesting comments on another perhaps Hall of Fame quarterback. And we'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's wish a happy birthday. Her name is Kristen Balboni. We call her Bal Biz. She is an outstanding new researcher and an outstanding new addition to the Mike and Mike team. And quite frankly, a joy to come in and see every single morning because she's always got a smile on her face. So happy birthday to our Bal. Wave to the camera, Bal Biz. Happy birthday to Kristen Balboni, who I think turned 14 today.
I should be introducing her to my boys. I mean, she's as old as my oldest son. I mean, it's
How
amazing.
old is your son?
He'll be 23 this year. She turned 23.
My goodness.
I know.
She has a boyfriend, I'm told.
I know. If you didn't, I'd say, I'll set you up with my
That's
son.
all right. The go with boys are always just good for a good time. I mean, you don't really need it. Doesn't have to be like a serious.
What's that all about? What are you trying to say about my
Well,
boys?
look at you. I mean, you're
Okay.
like you're
so
a
you're
fun
saying they're
guy.
just out there and just having a good time?
No, you could still be introduced to someone and
Yeah.
just have fun. You don't have to have a romantic involvement.
I don't know what you're talking about there. I don't know what direction you're going. I think you should rethink what you're saying right now.
What are you talking about?
See how nervous he gets?
Well,
I just love it. I know.
You're
I'm
saying
just messing
ridiculous
with you.
things now.
I'm just messing with you. The boys do like to go out.
Well, your mind is just your mind.
Oh, I think it's your mind, my friend. Amanda who's just 24 was thinking the same thing when you were talking about
Man is
that.
married with a baby.
I understand that. Doesn't mean she can't know where your
You
mind
want to
is
introduce her
going.
to your son? They couldn't go and have a good time.
She's married.
These are young people. So that's my point. They don't have to, whatever. What do they go?
What
Hook up. They
What
don't have to
are
hook
you
up.
even discussing here? I'm offended.
By what?
I just want to make you nervous.
All right, Mike. I don't even know why I'm nervous. Mike and Mike.